Hey, little space explorers. Get ready to join me, Saturn, on a super cool trip through space. I've got some awesome things to tell you. Look at me. I'm Saturn, the sixth planet from the Sun. I'm like a big, beautiful space ball with something special, shiny rings. What makes me really unique? It's my amazing rings. Imagine a sparkly belt made of ice and rocks that goes round and round me. I'm the planet with the blings. But hey, I'm not alone. I have a bunch of friends, my moons. Each one is like a little buddy going around me. Unlike Earth, which is solid, I'm a gas giant. That means I'm mostly made of floaty stuff like hydrogen and helium, just like the gas in balloons. Now let's have some fun. A day for me is only 10 hours and 33 minutes, and my winds can zoom faster than 1,100 miles per hour. Whoosh! Hope you had a blast learning about me, Saturn, the ringed planet. Keep looking up at the stars, little friends. See you next time in space. Bye for now.